I've been making videos for a pretty long time and they're pretty much the same thing all the time. And when you make the same kind of content for years and years and years, it can start to build up and get to a point where you really start to think, is this what I want to be doing? Is this the stuff that I want to be making? Do I actually still enjoy this? But what I've always found is that if you continue doing the thing that you don't enjoy and you push through that period of time, it allows you to think about and brainstorm about what might be in the future and what are the things that you do get excited about and how you want to go ahead moving forward and how you want to use your time. So this is now the start of a new chapter where I create content that excites me, that interests me, and in order to do that, well, I need another desk. So when Flexispot reached out to me about 3 months ago asking me to review their E7 standing desk, I wasn't really sure if I wanted to do that video because I didn't know what sort of things I would say about a desk. I mean, standing desks are in basically every office and everyone has one. What I thought though, now that I've gotten to this point where I know what direction I want to take the channel in, is I want to basically do PC building and live streaming at the same time, and the inspiration kind of come from people who are maybe one-man bands, or they're playing an instrument and they've got multi-cameras. That's kind of the same thing that I want to do, but with a standing desk. So the desk they sent over is the E7 standing desk. It's 120 centimeters by 60 centimeters. So it's about $500 with the frame. The bamboo top we've also got, which is another 100. You don't have to get that. So not a huge desk, but what we're going to be doing is mounting a stream deck. We're also going to be putting 1, 2, 3 webcams. So we've got an Elgato 4K 60 and 2 OBSBot cameras. We've also got here a USB hub and a light to basically control everything from the main PC behind me. We're going to put a pegboard on and a monitor. So it's going to be literally just covered in things C-clamped to the side. And I'll show you guys the build process, what it is all like in terms of the construction, give you my recommendation for whether or not this desk is worth it. But I guess more importantly, try and inspire you guys with what you might do with a desk other than just sit at it and play games. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to chuck it a like, get subscribed. Let's get into the build and I'll show you guys at the end how it all goes together. Okay, so everything is pretty much put together. We've got some rubbish to take care of, some cables to manage a little bit later on, and I'll talk about that a little bit more in detail. But the actual desk I'm really happy with. And in terms of like this idea that I had in my head, you guys can sort of see what I'm talking about. So we've got 1, 2, 3 webcams, the Logitech lighter up the top there. We've got a monitor mounted on a monitor arm, the stream deck. We've obviously got a light bar on the back there as well as a pegboard, which I had laying around, which I think could come in handy. Then we've also got the Sony DSLR camera. If I wish to use it, that I can. This light was actually part of this desk setup, so I can actually just sort of pivot the light and the camera when I want to use this particular station, but everything goes back to my main PC. So what do you guys actually think? Personally, in terms of the E7 desk from Flexispot, I actually really like this desk and think for about $600 in this configuration with this bamboo top, which I must say does feel very nice. I think it's actually pretty good value. The only real sort of nitpick that I have to say is that they don't give you a cable management tray at this price point. They do give you a cable cover to cover the control box and the motor that goes underneath the desk. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. So this little cover just here comes included, but it's really just there to cover the control box and some of the wires that come when you actually put the desk together. But in terms of like how I've got that USB hub and all these other cables sort of just hanging around. If you want a cable management tray similar to maybe something like I've got over on this desk, and I'm not cutting this one in this like either because I had to pay for those, but it's about $60 for a cable management tray to go underneath the desk. I think 69 Australian dollars. And I think, you know, when you consider the fact that this is a standing desk, people are going to have cables to manage that are going to be hanging down underneath the desk. I really feel just like most companies now should just include a cable management tray by default. But getting back to the desk and the project, I am actually really stoked with how this all come together. By the way, I'm filming this on an iPhone 16 Pro, so I think the footage looks incredible. Just a little side note. But the way that I plan on using this desk is no keyboard or mouse needed. So basically just walk up, press a button, open up OBS. We've got obviously me using one of the main cameras here at the moment. Then we've got center channel, left channel, and then right channel. So we can just go ahead and cycle through the different camera modes as we wish. And then if we want to just record or stream, we just press one button and we're off to the races. So I think this is going to be perfectly fine. I wish it would be a little bit bigger, but considering the room that we have to work within, I think this is probably the best that I can do at this current stage. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this little project. I know a desk video might not seem too exciting, but hopefully this maybe inspires you a little bit or lets you know what's possible with such a small desk like this one from Flexispot. Big shout out to those guys for sending this over to help make this project a possibility, because like I said at the beginning, this is sort of the direction that I want to take the channel in. More PC building, doing things that are a little bit more DIY for you guys, as a way to engage and talk to you guys about, things that I'm personally interested in, and also trying to sort of find a way to sort of connect and help you guys as well. So if you have any questions about the desk, the tabletop, the accessories, all the equipment that I'm using, the channel, or anything else, please let me know down in the comment section. Links to the table and the config in the description as well. But other than that, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you guys in the live streams. And make sure you turn on that notification bell so whenever I go live, you can, come and join in the chat and see what's going on. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.